So the air quality for where we are right now is 140, and by midnight tonight it's going to be above 300. Welcome to another episode of Working for the Van. We are here in Montana still. Yes, we are still in Montana. We said we're going to Idaho, but right now there's some really big wildfires going on in Oregon, Washington, and Northern California. We were kind of thinking that we were going to be able to work around them and basically find pockets that were totally safe and we'd be all right and still be able to explore a little bit. As we were going west through Idaho, basically the smoke just kept getting worse and worse and worse and worse and worse and worse, to the point where it was just like unlike anything that we've ever seen. I mean, even right here, it's really smoky still. So we decided we were going to retreat back to where we were before when we've been exploring Glacier National Park. So we're still just right by Glacier National Park right now, hoping that the smoke wasn't going to reach all the way over here. That didn't work. So here we are, still in the smoke. It was a long day of just driving through smoke, through the dark, to get back to Montana, only to realize that there's still smoke here. The wildfires in Oregon are like the worst they've ever been, ever. The wildfires in Washington are also just as bad. It's not good out there. So for right now, we're thinking we're just kind of gonna head east-ish, almost back to Yellowstone, because we're checking out the air quality index and it looks okay over there, much better than here. So we're hoping to find some cleaner air. Essentially, we just basically we're outside all the time. The air that's in the van is the air that's outside, so we're just breathing in the smoke. We just decided that we don't want to, so yeah, we're trying to find cleaner air, hoping that this stuff clears up soon for everybody here and everybody in Oregon and Washington. It's pretty scary out there. We've been looking up pictures and news articles and stuff. Might have to postpone Oregon, Washington, Northern California. We will see. What will the weather do? So for now, we are getting out of here, getting out of the smoke, and finding some cleaner air somewhere. So the air quality for where we are right now is 140, and by midnight tonight it's going to be above 300. Hazardous. Wow. Total side note, people in Montana drive way too fast. The speed limit on every road is like 70, 75, 65. It's just, slow down, people, slow down. Quick stop at Walmart for some food and new Rain-X wiper blades. We noticed last time it was raining that our wiper blades were starting to really be bad, so we're gonna swap them out for some Rain-X blades and new winter washer fluid.
These are good, Trav. You don't know how to get them off?
No.
Huh?
No, it's not working.